What's up YouTube, Stray1 here. I am back again, once again, for number 16 of TCG Card of the Day. Now today we're going to look at a very special trainer card that I'm not sure if it still exists in the TCG, in the current TCG card releases, but here's one that's very interesting and has an interesting effect. Now, the trainer card we're looking at is Berry. Now, Berry is not a regular trainer card, it is a Poketool card. What's a Poketool card? Well, a Poketool card is basically a card, like in Yu-Gi-Oh! How you have equip spell cards. Basically, you could say it's that. Only it has an effect that once it's used, it has to be discarded. And it even says here that attach Berry to one of your Pokemon that doesn't have a Poketool attached to it. So basically, you could say you could attach it to a Pokemon like an energy card. Let's say that. Now this Berry tool, its effect is at any time between turns, if there are at least 2 damage counters on the Pokemon Berry is attached to, you may remove 2 of them and discard Berry. At the start of each turn, if there are at least 2 damage counters on the Pokemon Berry is attached to, remove 2 of them and discard Berry. Basically it's saying the same thing twice. So basically you could attach it to a Pokemon like an energy card, except that once its effect activates, it gets discarded. Kind of like when a move that requires the sacrifice of an energy card reacts. Yeah, so so that's Berry for you in a pinch. Basically it's a healing card that works when you're damaged, but it has to be discarded immediately, so it's not a forever thing. Not like the Healing Field Stadium card I did a couple cards ago. So it could be useful because it definitely saves you from having to draw out potions and all that. But I'm not sure, at least myself, how to incorporate that into any type of deck whatsoever. I do see its potential, obviously. I'm not sure on this. I'm really not sure how to incorporate this into a deck. But again, it has its potential and pretty cool card. Poketools can be very useful sometimes. Well, anyway, that's gonna end this one here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this series, and I'll see you again next time.